Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today we will paint this beautiful watercolor sunset with a boat. It is super easy and I'll show you step by step process. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Share with your friends, like this video. Let's get started. First the material. So I am using a simple HB pencil and an eraser. Link for all the material that I am telling you is below. Then we have two water bowls, one for clean water and one for washing the brushes. Next is watercolor artist cakes. I usually use these cakes. These are 18 shades. Then two brushes, one flat and one round. So flat will be used for the background. So the number I have is 4 number, and for this round brush is for the details or like painting the boat and all. So there is no number on this, but it's probably 2 I guess, and a waste cloth. Then I have a masking tape to seal the edges of the paper. Last we have a watercolor sheet. It is 300 GSM cold pressed paper. Link for this is below in the description. So let's put the tape on the edges of the paper. So I usually cover 70% sheet and the rest 30% is on the base. So this part is very important. Try to do it neatly. So all the 4 sides are sealed now. Let's get started. First we will draw the image. So here is my reference image. First we will draw a line in the center for the horizon and basic outlines of the boat. So the bottom of the boat is done. Now draw a straight line and a triangular shape. So I will not draw all the lines which I see in the image, just main basic or the more prominent lines. So this is done. Here's a closer look. You can pause here and complete the drawing. Now let's get started with coloring. The first step is to put water on the paper. Use the flat brush, dip it into water, and in horizontal motion cover the upper section of the drawing. So you can cover the boat because it's black, so we can color the background covering the boat. So put enough water so the entire paper is wet. There shouldn't be any space left. So if you clearly see, my upper half of the paper is completely wet. Now we will start coloring. So the first color I am using is blue. So take blue color and start from the top. Move left to right and right to left. Clean your brush. And now we will take another color. Now we will take orange and start from the bottom. Again, right to left, left to right. Make sure that your paper is not dry. Start from the rightmost part, move towards left, then again start from left side and move towards right. Next color what we are putting is yellow. Start where the orange ends and take it to the top near blue. So next we will put red. So little bit of red and orange at the bottom. The sky is done. This is how it looks, or blue, yellow, orange and red. So you have to wait for it to completely dry. This is very important. Otherwise the color will start bloating into the bottom section. Now for the lower section we will do again the same thing. Use clean water and put it on the paper. Be very careful at the edges. Make the paper completely wet. Now again we will start with blue, but now at the bottom. So I am using dark blue. For this sea we will keep the shades little darker. So dark blue. Then red. So we'll start from top. Be careful near the edges. So I'm starting with red and then we will mix orange in it. Now take orange and start mixing with red. So in the center mix with blue. I want to add a little bit more red on the top. And it's done. So now we have to wait for it to completely dry. When it is completely dry, we will start with the sun. So I am using, if you see, the round thin brush to make the outlines of the sun using orange color. Now using yellow for the upper section. Make a nice round shape. Yeah, it's done. Now we will move on to the waves. So this is very important that your image or the painting should be completely dry when you start putting the details. So I will take red and start making the waves. Use round brush for the details. Now add blue, but now start from the bottom. I am making simple zigzag patterns. adding some lines in the sky with orange and yellow. Yeah, it's done. Now moving on to boat. Now we will use black color and completely fill the boat with black. Be careful, first put the color on the edges and then fill inside. So first make the edges. Now use the tip of the brush to make these fine details. Some more details, and now the shadows. So using the black color we will make the same waves or shadows of the boat. And it is done. The sunset painting is ready. Now very carefully let's remove the tape. Start from the corner and slightly pull it away. Yeah. So remove tape from all the 4 edges and it's done. Yeah, it's done now. So here is the final picture. Last thing is to clean the brushes. So use the clean water, dip them in water, clean nicely and then softly wipe them on the cloth. Okay, we are done now. So this is the painting. Hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you make it, please share it with me on my Instagram handle. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel and drop a comment if you like it. Thank you.